stone, and the wind carves names in the mountain bone. We stood as boys, we rose as men, bound not by blood, but by blade and pen. Signs on skin, the fire without, the fire within. We learn to strike, to shield, to mend, but never to forsake a friend. Oh, brothers mine, through frost and flame, the lone wolf dies, but not our name. We learn to strike, to shield, to mend, but never to forsake a friend. Oh, brothers mine, through frost and flame, the lone wolf dies, but not our name. We walk alone, we stand as pack, and guard the world that won't look back. The path is dark, the nights are long, but silence hums with our old song. Each fallen blade, each voice now still, is carried on through strength and will. A wolf remembers, does not forgive, but in his heart the lost still live. The medallion hums, the steel is drawn. We are the dusk, we are the dawn. Oh, brothers mine, through frost and flame, the lone wolf dies, but not